Alright guys, so this video is about why most men let themselves go and how to get back on track.
Smells like shit. You do. Goes in the back today. There you go. Let's go.
Good morning, guys. It's 6:05. It's pretty early, but we are getting the day started on the right path. I was supposed to be up at 5, but it was pretty hot last night. It's kind of sweating everywhere. I'm still getting used to living here. It's been under a week of staying here. I think we're like at day 5, so it's really cozy right now. We finally got everything in, but I've been off my routine for about 2 weeks. We were literally eating junk food for 2 weeks out in the street because we didn't have a kitchen. But got my little espresso machine now, so gonna be saving time and basically doing everything here. So step 1 of the day is to get up and let's get the body moving. So we're up early. We don't start at the warehouse till 9. So what I'm gonna do is do a home workout, and I would do this shot outside, but it's still cold and it's winter, so it's dark. So once we get the lighting set up, so I'm not just in complete darkness, then we'll take that shot. Bag just moved, super creepy. So get a little coffee in right now, then we're going to, and I have to kind of be low tone as well because I gotta get used to not talking too loud and waking anyone up. So let's go ahead and hit leg day first. It's gonna be an hour of cardio, knock that out, and then we're gonna hit legs, some mobility, and then shower, eat some breakfast, get to work by 9.
Look at how Leo just sticks his head out. You guys might be wondering, why did I do that to their feet? Well, we just got carpet installed on our new house, so we can't be having them stepping around. It's very muddy out here in the country, so we can't have them stepping around in the carpet. So I gotta clean their feet, put them in their cage while they're not being watched. Make sure there's not a crazy amount of mud all over the floor. So let me show you guys the home gym real quick. So got everything from the old house here. So it's time to train. We're gonna be hitting cardio first. Have a table right now, so we will be eating on the ground because there's construction in the other room. So the wonderful Adri made me some ground beef, potatoes, and tortillas. Let's see if she'll join me. All right, Adri, so how's your first week at the new property?
Good, just a little bit stressful.
Why?
Because of the moving and everything. I feel like we're never gonna be done moving in, but I think we're done. It's just little details.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
So what's your plan for the day?
I'm gonna clean the couch, do the laundry, work out, and go back to work.
Nice.
What are you gonna do?
I gotta go make money.
Go hang out with your friends?
Yep.
It was a very stressful 2 weeks of my life. Very. Because we had to move 2 stories to a 2-story property with a backyard and a shed and a home gym. Obviously, I think sleeping.
I know.
Into half of a house because
Even Elby's tired.
because we have we are buying this property with our her twin sister, concuño, the not brother-in-law. It's kind of like a brother-in-law, and while we're waiting for our house to be built in the front right there, we have to live together in this house.
We're gonna be right there.
So they're still in construction of their house and like updating their bathroom and stuff like that. But actually, it's really, really nice. I really enjoy this side of the house. The house was actually divided really nicely already in half. So like we have access to our, like basically it's like 2 houses in one, and we just share the kitchen. But this is the property, guys. I'll give you guys a full house tour pretty soon.
Where's Elby?
¿Qué pasó, papá? ¿Qué pasó, mi niño muerto? ¿Qué pasó? Ay, chiquiado.
We got a drone shot already. Now, the goal with these videos, guys, is to make it engaging and fun for you guys to watch, while also still doing boring, monotonous, boring stuff. Like
Repetitive.
Hi, Vito. Is that what is that? Animal.
I think it's a woodpecker, no?
So, shout out to Adri for helping me shoot this scene, but I do want to make a full video. Alright, so what's pretty cool about this property is how much land we have and a lot of privacy. Super nice. And here I have my little collection. So I got my Porsche, my Lambo, my McLaren, and a Ford GT. So this is a little collection I started doing. Put some double-sided tape and stuck it up there, and it's pretty cool. All right, guys, so this video is about why most men let themselves go and how to get back on track. So that's what this whole video is about, right? So as you guys saw, you saw my morning routine. That was basically waking up around 5:30, getting up, getting a coffee, getting a workout, organizing my things, getting my cardio, training, letting the dogs out, you know, trying to build my routine back because it was off for quite a while. We were in the process of moving. We're right in the middle of winter, and we finally got things settled in. So there was a huge lifestyle change, and I just want to show you guys and explain to you guys like how at least I'm gonna be getting my life back on track. All right, guys. So one of the key points that I have here is that low energy equals low output. So as you can, like, if you are a business owner or you want to start a business, it's so much of it has to do with how you feel throughout the day, right? If I feel good and I, like, for example, if today I would have woken up hungover and went straight to work and I, you know, got there, I'd probably be in a bad mood, not be in a good mood with the guys. I probably would not want to, you know, talk to customers in a very friendly way. I wouldn't be able to make good decisions on my marketing and videos. I wouldn't have time to make videos like this. So low energy equals low output. Poor health leads to sluggishness. I can't talk today. It's very hard to work long, effective hours if you're always feeling very groggy. So imagine, guys, if you are feeling like you're not hurting your business by being out of shape, by being tired, by not sleeping enough, I promise you, one way or another, you're hurting your business. So now let's go to work.
One more sleepless night, I still got you on my mind, and I'm falling. Oh baby, I'm falling. I'm getting stuck in my feelings, so sweep it under the rug. Can't help it, I'm just dreaming.
All right, guys, today we're gonna be doing ceramic all the way around
on this vehicle. I like to wear these orange gloves because it's cold, and also you get a little bit of a cleaner install sometimes. I can kind of touch the film a little bit more, and it matches my hat. Guys, so let's pull this job up on our CRM. This is RP Films dealer program CRM. This is what we use to manage our shop. So you can see total visits. What you want to do is go to the months. I'm just going to screen record just in case I need it. Let's go to the bookings. Today is Saturday, the 8th of February. This is Miguel. So we pull it up here, and I'll have to blur out the customer info. Toyota Tundra. Okay, so we're gonna be doing, and here's all the information. Ceramic, we're gonna be doing the front side windows. Let's go ahead and edit this. In a 35%, the back side windows in a 5%, the rear windshield in a 5%. Okay, so the windshield will be getting 50%. We save it. Now at the bottom, you have record film usage. So you hit plus record film usage, and you can basically add what you're doing. So for example, on the windshield, we're gonna be using our 50%. So our ceramic IR 50%, and it'll show you the roll that's available once you input your information. You select the roll, and then you put in how much length was used. So for example, so we used 63 inches total. All right, so then we just hit save. And that's how we track every single job.
A lot of these, they're gonna go over your strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah.
Some of them might not align with you, but if you read deeper, you understand why. So you have to be able to work on specific strengths and weaknesses, right? You can't just develop, you know, as a commander. That means you have the personality of a commander. That doesn't mean you are a commander, right? So you gotta work. That doesn't mean you're not, right? So you gotta like invest in yourself to really reach the full potential of your, you know, personality, right? Because you have that in you. Like that test is really accurate, and you'll be surprised. And then they'll figure it out like that. But it's much better, much easier to buy something if your friend tells you, like, hey, you know, when you ask an opinion of someone, like, hey, have you ever used this? Or hey, and then your friend tells you, and he's like, yeah, that's a great product. Like, I love it. You're more likely to buy it, right?
Yeah.
Right. Because it was recommended by someone you trust and your friend.
Yeah, like imagine if we visit every single shop in California and introduce ourselves and go
100%.
and like professionally shake their hand, give them a sample product, show them the CRM. That, you know, I think, we'll talk about it later, but I think that could be a very, very.
100%.
I'll help you with the question.
Because people buy from people they trust. Would you buy from someone you don't trust?
No.
It's like, oh, that's like, he's kind of shady, right?
Hey.
Yeah, exactly. So we gotta build that trust, not only like the brand trust, but like the customer base and everybody else, right? They want perfect.
I learned this. I saw this video, etc. On these new vehicles. These new vehicles are getting harder. You know, make it easier on us to be efficient.
No, 100%.
Hard. So, you know, my part of the job is to be do as best as possible for the customers, because you guys work hard for marketing and, you know, bring work in.
Yeah.
Like, I don't do that. If I do a crappy job,
Yes.
customer, hey, dude, fuck this. You know,
100%.
they did a crappy job, and I don't recommend them. So, yeah, on my side of the job is to make sure it's almost 100%.
Perfect. You focus like, okay, 6 months we're gonna grind it out and then see where we're at and then kind of adjust from there. Perfect. We don't have a select uniform, but make sure you're repping the brand, because when customers, we wanted them to show, like when you show up to a company and everyone's wearing the same thing, it just looks like, hey, this company's badass. You know, I want to know like what's going on here. So we want to make sure our operations are tight, our processes are tight, and how we communicate and interact with customers are tight, right? Because that's going to lead to success. Strong opinions, but they're far from close-minded, right? You're reliable, right?
You got some confidence. Saw that? The hesitation, right? I'll take it. I like it.
Hey, we're working on it. Hey, so well, this is the beginning of like working on yourself. So now that you know your kind of personality type, like, hey, you are reliable, but you're maybe just making decisions that are not to your advantage to make you reliable, right?
Alright guys, so we are also a distribution center. We sell the products, carbon and ceramic window films. It's called RP Films. It works in tandem with our CRM. This order is going out to Aaron Onofre in, I believe, in Sacramento. So thank you so much, Aaron, for your order. This is going to get to you pretty quickly. If you're anywhere on the West Coast, guys, we ship your orders. And if you're anywhere else in the country, Texas will fulfill those orders for you. So make sure to check out the best products in the industry. This is RP Films, best bang for your buck. All right, guys, now time to take this to our delivery and head home for the day. So if you made it to the end of this video, I hope you guys liked it. I hope it's something that motivates you guys and gives you a good perspective on what it's like here at RP Films. Now, a ton of effort goes into producing the video, thinking about the video, not sleeping because I'm thinking about what to do in the video, writing the video down, production, video content, equipment. So please drop a comment, like, subscribe, and then tell us what you guys want to see. And if you're also on the road to self-improvement, even if you're not window tinting, drop a comment below and tell us what you're doing to make 2025 your best year. That's it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next video.